Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cardi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I clear up my skin in 4 days by using turmeric mask. My skin went crazy after I had the baby and I was just desperate. I wanted to just try something. Now, this is the items that I use and the recipe. It's quite simple, to the point. I took on a challenge. I'm gonna try the turmeric mask. So I did mix those items together, and this is the texture of the mask. You should get something like this. Yeah, and I did apply the mask with a foundation brush. I got this from ColourPop. It's quite cheap. You could use anything basically. You could even use your hands if you want. But say for instance you want to prevent your fingers being what should I say? Being stained by the turmeric, because turmeric does stain. And even if you realize after applying the turmeric your face stain, you can just go in with a cleanser. Now after applying the turmeric, I just want to show you, I normally use a paper towel to pat off the excess water. Now this is day 2 and we're going in. There's still some texture on my skin and that's not going to change overnight. Turmeric is not magic. It's something that works over time. That's natural. Now turmeric, let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric has some great benefit, guys. It controls acne, it controls oils, delay any sign of aging and stuff. It's a really good product to both use on your skin and also to eat, like put it in your food or whatever. I mean, when I'm making curry, if you guys are Jamaican, I like to add a little turmeric to it too. So yeah. So I let it dry and then I wash it off again, and this is it. Now I did observe that on the second day my skin was looking a little brighter. Also there was some residue of the turmeric, like it stained my skin, so I did went ahead and use a cleanser. Guys, today is not my day. I'm just tired. No, it's day 3 and we're just focusing on the problems. You know, I mostly have problems on my cheek area, and I think, if I'm not misreading or whatever, I think I read about when you break out on these areas right here, it's hormonal problems or changing hormone. So hey, after the baby, still got some bump and stuff here. It seems as if I've developed a new bump right here. I'm not sure if it's the mask or anything, but yeah. This side is looking a bit clearer, I must say. Skin feel very moisturized, even though I haven't put any moisturize on there. Yeah, I love how my skin is feeling. So it's day 3, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yay! So it's day 4, guys, and I'm just speeding through because hey, we're doing the same thing. And I've seen some drastic change using the turmeric for 4 days, and I definitely have before and after. So I'll show it to you guys. This is after I wash the turmeric off, and you can definitely see I did went in with some oil on my skin. Don't know what I'm doing here. I guess I'm applying some lip gloss. But you could take a minute and just observe my skin, that you can definitely see it's more glowy, differently from the oil being on my skin. It's more brighter. The texture of my skin has really improved. Yeah, I think it's a really good mask to try over time. Now this is outside, and this is how it's looking in this daylight. Really nice, and my skin even look a little tighter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try this mask. Comment down below and share with your friends. Remember, if you're new to this channel, to hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.